Hey traders, Mark here from Tech Hedge Pivot. Today, I'm breaking down a quick 4-minute options trade I took on Tesla this morning. 2 contracts in, 2 contracts out. We locked in $284 profit before most people finish their coffee. Let's dive right in. Here's the setup. TSLA was showing strong bullish momentum pre-market. At market open, we saw a continuation pattern form with increasing volume and a clean breakout. Tesla officially rolled out its invite-only RoboTaxi service in Austin on June 22nd, featuring around 10 to 20 self-driving Model Ys charging a flat $4.20 per ride with safety monitors on board, marking a significant step toward Tesla's autonomous ride-hailing ambitions. I entered 2 call contracts at the 347.5 strike expiring June 27, 2025. My entry was at $6.98 per contract. I placed a market buy for 2 contracts at 9:57 a.m. Eastern and sold those contracts just 4 minutes later at 10:01 a.m. Eastern time, right as TSLA pushed into our profit box. 2 zone on the chart. The sell filled at $8.40, locking in a clean profit of $1.42 per contract, or $284 total for the trade. As you can see in the P&L panel, this trade gave our account a strong boost for the day. We're up $284.75, and this is just one of the many setups we discuss inside our Discord. If you want to trade alongside a growing community, learn strategies like this, and get your trades reviewed, come join us on Discord by becoming a member of Tech Hedge Pivot. Click the link below, and you'll see trades like this posted daily in the completed trades channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a breakdown or trade idea. Drop your questions in the comments or let us know your best trade this week. Let's grow together and build that account, one high probability trade at a time.